Thank you for getting your LifeVac. I'm Arthur Lee. I'm the CEO and inventor of LifeVac. I did it to protect my daughter, and I'm very glad you can protect your family too. To get your LifeVac, I'm just going to open it up. Make sure you got your contents in here. You'll see there's 3 masks. There's a pediatric, an adult, and your test mask. So you're going to want to open up your test mask. And just get familiar with using your LifeVac. Now you'll hear a rattle, and that's okay. That's your valve, and it's a ball valve so that you'll never have a problem and it won't push the object in. So you're going to put your test mask in. Now you don't want to put it in too tight. It's just a test. And when you're using your LifeVac, you're going to keep your hand down, push, and pull. Okay? So you can practice that a couple times. Make sure you're comfortable with that motion. Then you're going to remove your mask. Now this mask can be discarded after you train and feel comfortable that everyone in your family is very good with handling the LifeVac. If your mask feels awfully tight, try and get a good grip on here and put your hand inside. And just twist. Try not to lift up. When you spin it, it'll come out. The kit is all set to go. You want to take your masks, put them back in your bag, and store it safely. I'm so glad you have a LifeVac. Any other further questions, go to www.lifevac.net.